Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Kia Soul steering wheel. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents any accidental airbag deployment during the removal process. Make sure your steering wheel is perfectly centered and locked before you begin. You'll need a few specific tools, including a Torx bit set and a steering wheel puller, to complete the job safely and efficiently. Now, let's move on to the airbag module. You'll find two small access holes, one on each side of the steering wheel. Using a small flathead screwdriver, gently insert it into these holes to release the spring clips holding the airbag in place. Once the clips are disengaged, carefully pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel. Remember to disconnect the electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs before fully removing the airbag. With the airbag safely out of the way, the next step is to detach the steering wheel itself. You'll see a large center nut holding it to the steering shaft. Use the appropriate socket to loosen and remove this nut. Before pulling the wheel, it's a good idea to mark the steering shaft and the wheel with a pen to ensure proper alignment when you reinstall it. Then, use a steering wheel puller to gently and evenly remove the wheel from the shaft. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, making sure all electrical connectors are firmly attached and the center nut is tightened to specification. Double-check that the steering wheel is perfectly aligned before fully securing it. Once everything is back in place, reconnect your battery and test all steering wheel functions, including the horn and cruise control, to ensure everything works correctly. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.